It was late 2019 when a group of people witnessed the most amazing thing. This mama guanaco is giving birth to a baby guanaco, and it's the best thing you'll see today. There she is. What a cute little miracle! Welcome to this world, little angel. When a female guanaco gives birth, her newborn, known as Chulengo, is able to walk immediately. Chulengos can keep up with the herd right away. Although still weak and fragile, the baby guanaco is already attempting to take his first steps. What an astounding experience to witness this adorable creature taking its first steps. The lucky guys who witnessed the birth are sticking around to observe the baby as it takes footing. How incredible is it that as soon as the baby exits the womb, she is already standing on her feet? It's taking many false starts for the newborn to get its footing, but the little baby is persevering. Her frail legs are still wobbly and shaky, and it's going to take a bit of time until she gains her strength. Guanacos are related to llama and alpaca, and they live throughout South America. Resting a bit before it takes another attempt at walking. In less than 40 minutes from the time it exited the womb, the newborn was able to stand. Watching the baby tumble was difficult, but what a huge success when it finally stood on its own 4 legs. It's time for Mama Guanaco to nurse her newborn. These guys were so fortunate to witness such an incredible event.